Oh. Oh. This was a really bad sneeze. I couldn't even pick my phone up. Oh. I was in a sneeze and I couldn't get out of it. And because I couldn't get out of it, I couldn't pick my phone up. So I think I'm about 1 minute 37 seconds or something like into it now. But that was a really bad one. I'm sure I heard some music then when I sneezed. When Well, today's been a really, really hot day. It was 30 degrees C. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it was a really, really hot day. We've got a heat wave at the moment. We don't go out very often, but tonight we actually went to a party.